Samsung is set to redefine flagship smartphones in 2025 with its highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra. Leaks suggest a refined design with a slimmer, more rounded frame, steering away from the sharper, note-like edges of its predecessors. At just 8.4 millimeters thick and weighing 219 grams, Samsung has crafted a premium device that feels both lightweight and durable, thanks to the use of titanium materials. Not only this, Samsung is also doubling down on display protection. The S25 Ultra will feature Corning's second-generation Gorilla Glass armor, building on the impressive scratch resistance of the previous model. Renowned tech source Ice Universe predicts that this new glass will be tougher while retaining its anti-reflective coating. Interestingly, this advanced protection will remain exclusive to this device throughout 2025, making it stand out in the market. And there's more good news for display enthusiasts. The S25 Ultra's 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen will support an upgraded peak brightness of 3000 nits, a full 400 nits brighter than its predecessor. Combine this with thinner bezels, and you've got an incredibly immersive viewing experience, perfect for outdoor use or multimedia consumption. For software, Android Authority suggests that the device comes with Android's seamless updates, ensuring background installations of system updates with minimal downtime. No more interruptions during crucial moments, just reboot, and you're ready to go. Samsung's One UI 7 introduces cutting-edge advancements in artificial intelligence. Highlights include a revamped Bixby with large language model capabilities and tools powered by Google's Gemini Nano LLM, enhancing functionality and usability for tech-savvy users. Interestingly, Samsung may introduce a car crash detection feature, leveraging the device's accelerometer, GPS, and sensors. If finalized, this life-saving addition will position Samsung alongside competitors like Apple and Google in safety technology. The phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, or the Exynos 2500 depending on the region, offering top-tier performance. Paired with either 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM, the device is built for demanding multitasking and gaming. Storage options range from 256 GB to a massive 1 TB, ensuring ample space for all your files and apps. On the storage front, the upcoming device will stick with UFS 4.0, the same fast storage standard as its predecessor. While there's a wishful hope for an upgrade to UFS 4.1 for marginal gains in AI-related tasks, major improvements won't arrive until UFS 5.0 becomes commercially viable, which is anticipated a few years down the line. Camera technology is where the S25 Ultra truly shines. According to sources, the device will feature a 200-megapixel primary sensor paired with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens that offers exceptional detail. Its telephoto system is equally impressive, combining a 50-megapixel lens with 5 times hybrid optical zoom and a 10-megapixel periscope sensor offering 3 times hybrid optical zoom. Ice Universe confirms these leaks, aligning them with prior rumors. Fueling the device is a robust 5,000 mAh battery, designed to last all day on a single charge. Samsung continues its commitment to fast charging, supporting up to 45-watt speeds, while offering wireless charging via QI2 technology and MagSafe-like compatibility for added convenience. However, one area where Samsung lags behind is its lack of a Find My Device When Turned Off feature. This feature has been available on iPhones for years and has now made its way to Google's Pixel series. Unfortunately, losing the new Samsung device while it's powered off or out of battery will still leave users at a disadvantage compared to its competitors. As for availability, it is expected to launch at a Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22, 2025. Pricing is anticipated to start around $1,199, keeping it in line with other premium flagship devices. What's your take on these upgrades? Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next one.